sinta. Ano bang meron sa iyo? Pag nakikita ka na.
Love, my wife, I always say that we met exact when we needed to. Your presence in my life changed everything for the better.
August 29, 2021, I made a list of my God's best. Quality of things I want sa future partner ko. Non-negotiable and negotiable. 15 items to be exact. I can still clearly remember yung kaba ko nung unti-unti mo nang chine-check yung list. Kaba in a sense of excitement na, Lord, ito na ba yun?
Tingnan mo lang ang aking mga mata. Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
It makes me want to say, kaya pala. It all works together for good. It all led me to you. You gave me the comfort I never knew I needed. You showed me that in my loneliness, all the separation anxieties, I was not alone.
And as we stand here today, ito na nga yun. Ikaw na nga si God's best. Love, you made falling in love so easy. You made coming back to Manila permanently from Boracay feel very right. Sa'yo ko naramdaman the true meaning of sincerity. From the very beginning, pinaramdam mo na sa akin gaano ka kasigurado at kaseryoso.
Nakagawa sa'kin ng ganito.
Now as your husband, I vow to give you the same peace. Hindi ka na kailanman mag-iisa. I will now be your teammate, your partner, and everything, your home. Magtutulungan tayo, sabay-sabay tayong mangangarap at tutupad. Magiging guide natin yung mga natutunan natin sa journeys natin since then.
Lord, thank you for Jerry. So today, in front of the people we love, I promise you this. Pipiliin kita sa kahirapan, sa kalungkutan, sa kasiyahan, sa kasakitan, sa kasaganahan, sa araw-araw, pipiliin kita palagi. I promise to smile more often. I promise that I will try very hard to speak my mind when things get tough.
Huwag kang titingin na sa iba. Akin ka na, wala nang iba.
We will communicate even harder on the hardest days. You will be my priority. I will respect you. Mamahalin at iingatan pang habang buhay. Love you so much.
And lastly, I promise to love every version of you as we get old. Jeremy Aguilar, mahal na mahal kita. And masayang masaya ako that you are God's answer to my 15 list of God's best.
Ko hanggang sa ating pagtanda, mamahalin kita basta pag nahulog. Nagkahawak ako, huwag ka lang bibitaw.